Thank you for an awesome year. We've had a lot of fun and a lot of learning and hard work in the lab. I'm sad to not be with you for this final week of school, but I'm doing my own learning at a conference, and I want to make sure I come back better and even smarter and ready to work harder than before. So part of making sure I'm ready for next year is going to involve you letting me know what can we do to make the lab an even better place. So what I'd like is for you to share some of your thoughts with me on how we can improve the lab. So here we go. First thing I want you to work on is to tell me what was the most important thing you learned. It could be that you thought it was so important you learned how to use all of your fingers when you keyboarded, or maybe the coding was the most important. Maybe it's solving problems, or just working hard, or recognizing that you can do anything you put your mind to. What was the most important thing you learned? Also, you can tell me what were some of the things you enjoyed learning about. Maybe you liked working with robots, or you liked that we had Legos. What were some of the things you really enjoyed? Okay. Next, second part is what new thing should we add to our program? So this is your chance to say, hey, next year, what can we add to make the year even better? Maybe it's more magnetiles, or maybe it's more robots, or different robots, or maybe it's drones, or maybe we need more Mrs. Neal. Whatever you think we need to have more of our program, let me know. Maybe it's more time. You think about it and get back to me. And then finally, what would you like to change for next year? Should we be doing more KWT? Should we be doing less KWT? Should we make sure that everyone has a hard hat when they come in? Do we need to have better rules or a bigger lab space or let more time again? What do you want to change about how our class works? For our second graders, you're going to be sharing your thoughts on a post-it note. First, I want you to turn and talk to a friend when Mrs. Neal asks you. And you're going to talk to them to get your ideas and see what they think and kind of record and get some of those ideas going back and forth. Once you have a really good idea for what it is you want to share to make our year better for your third grade year, then you want to write that down in your post note, and Mrs. Neal will put that in the back window for us. Once you've written down your thoughts, you'll have a chance to get an iPad, and you may work on either coding at code.org, or you may work on KWT to do your levels there. If we see some excellent work, Mrs. Neal might invite you to come back and work on the magnetiles. Those are your options today. Again, I'm so sorry to be missing you, but I know you guys have a great time with Mrs. Neal, and I'm super excited to come back even smarter and better for next year. Thanks. Have a great day, friends. Happy summer.